Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about matrices. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the constant a and b to make sure that this one equals. So we have capital A that is about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find about a square. A square, that's about a multiplied by a. And we have this matrix multiplied by this matrix. So, about this one, we will have about number 2 multiplied by number 2 in here. And number 3 multiplied by number 1. The next one, number 1 multiplied by number 2 minus number 4 multiplied by number 1. The next one, number 2 multiplied by number 3. And number 3 multiplied by negative number 4. And the next one, number 1 multiplied by number 3. And negative number 4 multiplied by negative number 4. Now, we need to simplify. This one, we have number 7. This one, we have negative number 2. This one, we have negative number 6. This one, we have 19. Now, let's go to this one. So that means A multiplied by this matrix. So we will have about 2a, 3a, a and negative 4a. About this one, that's about B multiplied by this matrix. That's about 1, 0, 0, 1. So if we simplify, you got like this. Now, we have this one plus this one. That means this one plus this one. So, we combine two matrices in here. They should be like this. So, we have 2a plus b. We have 3a with number 0. You got about 3a. A, we keep about a. Negative 4a. Plus b. Now, we compare this matrix in here. So, in this situation, I will choose about 3a with negative number 6, or maybe a equals to negative number 2. They have the same. So 2a plus b, I will choose about positive number 7. Because we have a equals to negative number 2, so I will put this one going here. So we have number 7 plus 2 multiplied by 2. And we have 11. And we got the final answer. So a equals to negative number 2. B equals to 11. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.